Isn't this one of the more amazing property you ever see? So forever home, forever. Literally, a hole, several holes. Me and my mom, just in case something happens. That's beautiful. I'm trying to convince her, stay away from the cemetery.
Yeah.
They trap you there. 2 blocks. My God.
Yeah.
Wooden, concrete.
So
my
she's
God.
still in Buddhist?
Huh?
She's still in Buddhist mentality?
Yeah. So I have to talk to her more about Jesus.
Yeah. Because she's free
Yeah.
in Christ.
Yeah.
Because really, she doesn't need a place for the earthly body because she have a spiritual body made brand new.
Exactly.
Yeah. Because everything here will burn.
So they're trying to find God
So beautiful.
as the bottom line. But the Buddha said that the Buddha can't seek the Buddha. The Buddha can't seek the Buddha. So if you think about that saying, the Buddha can't seek the Buddha because you are the Buddha. So all seeking will never bring about the finding. Because the seeking is the denial that it's already the case.
Did you see the whole house already, Michael? Isn't it amazing? So downstairs ideal for the handicap, like shower. Perfect for her. So this could be shower room. Look at the high ceiling. You feel like a chapel in here too, you know? We could hang for Cheryl. We'll pray for her so she could walk again.
Be good even for.
So we'll pray before we leave. Beautiful. And then wood burning stove.
Yeah.
And look at the kitchen here, so nice.
Yeah, it sure feels a lot more solid than what we walked through
I know.
today.
So this is ideal, right?
Yeah, you see,
So
you
that's
have to do. Yeah.
So this is ideal for Cheryl to recover.
Did you hear him say he replaced all the windows, double windows?
Yeah, so it's like expensive window.
He said
Yeah.
for all these it's like 40,000.
Yeah, what I pay for it.
Your
One of my
first house.
Yeah. At the lake. The house that I traded David with, only 32,000. But have lake view, very nice. You saw. I love the color you paint. So you only need to paint some of these. But we'll go to the top floor.
Yeah, what kind of maintenance would you have to do on that wood?
Yeah, we have to ask him. But this kind of reminds me of earth shit.
Yeah. It's like,
And I love this type of bathroom here.
it's not Adobe, it's wood, but it's painted like Adobe.
Yeah. So that's the main house. I like this too. Yeah, painted like Adobe. Very nice.
Yeah.
So this is one of the bedroom. This is actually could be a bed right here. You only need a bed. You can sleep right here and wake up.
Yeah.
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 Relaxing. I like all the light. You wake up.
Yeah, and you look at this, the way these beams are tied,
Yeah.
that's unique,
Yeah.
the way it's tied.
Feel like a little tree house too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait for Sandra to come up and check it out. You know, so
Yeah, this is a
relaxing place to be.
simple screen.
Yeah,
So you can open these windows,
yeah,
let the air come right in.
yeah,
That's why you have the screen.
yeah. Very good idea.
Yeah.
Be in nature like this, so healing to have fresh air. Because Cheryl, that's something she don't have, fresh air. I noticed they don't open window. I'm like in there, come to think of it, they rarely open the window. You know?
Yeah.
Even where I slept, no wonder I had problems sleeping because no fresh air. When you have fresh air, you can sleep better.
Yeah. That's where I have screens, like for the Suburban.
Yeah, that's
Put a
nice.
screen over the door
Oh,
and roll the window
you
down.
bought it now. Yeah, that's a good
My
idea.
nephew gave it to me.
Wow, that's great. Yes, I'd love to meet the one that fly. So this is the master bedroom. So beautiful, right? Master bedroom. And it has the skylight too.
Oh yeah.
This skylight.
That's a great closet.
Yeah. And of course this is the bathroom. I think I like it so much I'm giving a second tour of the bathroom. Nice.
And you see, even in the shower, you have vision of the ocean.
Oh yeah. Go. You're right, so beautiful. Yeah. Mm. You could even do a deck outside too, you know. Nice. I love the design, you know.
Yeah.
So beautiful. We'll go to the hot tub. Wood burning stove hot tub.
I don't do coffee, so.
Let's see, we could go out this way again. Yeah, right down.
You gotta watch how the mind, but
Chico.
you're not,
No, well, I think of God as a being, no, not as an energy, not as,
yeah.
not as.
See, I never think of God as a being. I think people think of God as a being, because see, it's hard for us to see something other than the nature that we're in, you see, so we see, so I want to, go ahead, finish. Sure. It's hard for us.
Yeah. Next time, when I'll come, we should rent this place from him. I'd rather pay him than the Airbnb. But then,
Yeah, this form is gonna go to dust pretty quick, right? So, time affairs.
so this could be another bedroom, and it's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
I go, and then of course,
Because it's easy to make another place for tools.
yeah,
A separate little
You
tiny
see?
building for tools.
yeah. Look at how big this place is. So big. You see? Look at. Even this could be another bedroom. Hey. Like that, you see?
So that's the batteries off the solar
Yeah,
for power and stuff in the house.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a power by itself.
This to me, I know the older
An outdoor shower.
Powerful statement.
no, I know.
Outdoor shower, and this is so nice, you know. We use the hot sauna. This is an ideal Airbnb, you know, for people to retreat.
Jeez.
Have so many amenity compared to where we stay.
Yeah.
Like out the view.
Oh, yeah,
I'm so glad that you're here. It's expensive.
I wonder how many people. I mean, that's a lot of people
Yeah.
in an Airbnb that could use this
I
place.
know, exactly. To heal, to recover.